Welcome to Mawing Residences, Santa Cruz, Porac, Pampanga. Today we're featuring one of my personal favorite layouts, which is the Gregoria model. Sold out na si Julieta and Gerardo, kaya perfect timing para ma-showcase natin si Gregoria in all her glory. Among the three units, honestly, ito talagang pinakagusto ko. Maganda ang layout and malaki yung kitchen. Ang kitchen area nila is one of the best features. Tapos, both the first and second floor ng Gregorio model is beautifully planned. The master bedroom is one of my favorites. Yung door placement leading to the balcony is so well designed. Even kapag umuulan, hindi siya nababasa. So, ito pala yung view natin from the balcony. So, ito rin yung isang room and then the other room as well. So, three bedrooms tayo and two bathrooms. And ito naman yung ating service area. And ito yung ating one-car garage. Pero aamin na ako, ang kinuha ko is Solieta because I really love the aesthetic facade. Sorry na. So, quick update tayo sa bahay ng aking 11 clients. So, sa 11 clients ko, 8 na ang may standing structural ng kanilang mga bahay. Nakakatuwa makita yung progress. So, that's your quick tour of the Gregoria model here in Mawing Porac. If you want to see more updates, layouts, or house tours, follow for more. Baka next visit, nakatayo na rin yung tatlo. See you on the next one.